Hey folks, Mike Green here with Prima Coffee, and today we're talking about how to steam for latte art on a Bellman Stovetop steamer. The first thing that we're doing with this is making sure that it's all the way up to pressure. We're getting some steam release out of the handle here, which indicates that it's fully pressurized, ready to go whenever we are. The Bellman is going to be a little bit lower pressure than any commercial machine that you might be familiar with, and even a lot of home machines, depending on what kind of machine that you're working on. But it is going to be a 2-outlet hole steaming wand, which is going to give us pretty good motion in our pitcher, which is ideal for latte art. Before we get started, we want to make sure that we give it a good long purge. This steam wand, as it builds pressure, is going to collect lots of wet steam, which is not ideal. And by letting off some of that wet steam, we're going to have a much better end texture once we're done steaming. As we get that back up to pressure, we can set up our pitcher so that the steam wand tip is just below the level of liquid in the milk pitcher, and that we've got it set off to the side so that as soon as we open up the valve, we're going to get really good vortex motion. That vortex motion is going to take all of the air that we introduce and make sure that it becomes fully incorporated to become the microfoam that we're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead, purge this real quick one more time, which is just good practice to be in. I'm going to get my steam tip set up just below the level of liquid, kicked off to the side like that, and I'm going to open up the steam valve entirely. As I introduce these small sips of air, we're going to be looking to make sure that we get them involved in that vortex motion. Look for 20 to maybe 30% total volume expansion in your pitcher, and steam just until it's too hot to touch. Then you can go ahead, roll that off, grab your milk rag, and you want to get all that milk right off of there right away so that it doesn't get stuck on. And give it one more purge to get any milk liquid out of the steam tip. Once you've done all of that, you can go ahead and groom your milk. This will tap out any small bubbles that you might still have in there and give you a really good sheen on top of your microfoamed milk that you've made. And then this should be perfect for pouring your favorite forms right on top of your favorite drinks. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. Don't be discouraged. Absolutely, steaming with a new steam wand takes a little bit of time. Learning how to pour latte art takes a little bit of time. But all in all, with a Bellman Stovetop steamer, you absolutely have the tools at your disposal to be able to do what I just did. Thanks so much. See you next time. Hey folks, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, you can find all sorts of comparisons, product overviews, and educational content right here on our channel. So be sure to like and subscribe. And of course, you can always find us online at primacoffee.com. See y'all next time.